Guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys a potato face scrub which will remove the dark spots, pigmentation and acne scars problem from your skin. This potato face scrub is highly effective in making your skin crystal clear, bright, glowing and even toned. It has all the natural ingredients which are supremely nice and works really great as a dark spot and a pigmentation removal scrub. This is a gentle yet powerful scrub which will remove all the dark spots and pigmentation from your skin, and also helps you in skin brightening and removing all the suntan from your skin. So now without further ado, let's see how to prepare this homemade potato face scrub. So to prepare this home remedy, you firstly gonna need potatoes, and here I'm using 3 potatoes. And firstly, I'm just cutting these potatoes into small pieces. Now after chopping these potatoes, now I'm just going to put them into a grinding jar, and here I'm just putting all these potato pieces into this grinding jar. After that, we are going to use rose water, but if you don't want to use the rose water, you can also use the normal water. And here I'm adding a little bit of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, now we have to just grind it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And after grinding the potato, your potato paste will look something like this. It should be of really smooth and fine consistency like I'm showing you in the video. So now I'm just transferring this paste into a small bowl, and now we'll just use this potato paste to make our cream. So to prepare this face scrub, you firstly gonna need oatmeal powder, and here I've just grinded the oatmeals into a fine powder. And here I'm taking 2 teaspoons of oatmeal powder into a clean bowl. After that, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. And after adding the honey, you're going to need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. Now after that, we are going to use the potato paste which we just made. So here I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of this potato paste into it. And after adding the potato paste, now I'm just giving a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other nicely. And now lastly, you're going to need milk, and here I'm adding a little amount of milk into it so that it makes into a smooth paste. And after adding the milk, just mix all these ingredients supremely nicely so that they all mix with each other well and makes a smooth and a lump-free paste. Now after mixing everything really well, your homemade skin pigmentation, dark spots and acne scar removal potato face scrub is ready, and it will look something like this. This paste should be of scrub-like consistency, which is a little bit thick, and it should not be so much runny. So this potato face scrub is highly effective in making your skin really bright, glowing, radiant and hydrating. So this face scrub is highly effective in removing your dark spots, pigmentation and acne scars permanently from your skin. It has potato, which is the best skin lightening agent as it has all the bleaching properties into it, which it removes the dark spots and pigmentation problem from your skin. It also works on the hyperpigmentation if you have any, and oatmeal powder works as a really fine and gentle scrub. So the combination of these two along with all the other natural ingredients makes it the best scrub to remove the dark spots, pigmentation and to make your skin really bright, glowing, radiant, spotless and crystal clear. So now let me tell you how to use this face scrub for best results. So you just have to take a little amount of this scrub and apply it all over your face and neck, and gently scrub it in circular motion for about few minutes. And after scrubbing for few minutes, now I'm just using this face scrub as a face mask, and I'm just applying a thick layer of this face scrub all over my face and neck. And now I'm just going to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that just rinse it off using normal water and then pat and moisturize your skin. And for the best results, you have to use this face scrub once or twice a week. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.